Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have my Birchbox, one of my favorite boxes, and they're little sample-sized items, but I just love them. And if you're interested in seeing what I received this month, October, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys been doing well. Well, today is Friday. Happy Friday, and we have the weekend coming up, so I'm kind of excited. And today I also have my Birchbox for October 2021, and this subscription is all sample sized, but I really love this box because they send me good things, and they're usually mostly skincare. But before I open this, let's go ahead and do our 60 empowering questions and affirmations. But we're only gonna do one, but that's the name of the box. Okay, and I kind of, we're revisiting this box, and we did this eons ago. This is like I said in the other video, the box that started it all. So yeah, let's see what it says. Oh, this is a very cute picture. I like it. It's like a superwoman. It says, I am in charge of my emotions. I am in charge of my emotions. You know, this is one of the things that growing up, you know, beliefs were different back then, right? I mean, this is where boys don't cry, and, you know, girls have to be tough, and just as boys are. And, you know, so things are different because we find out later on, you know, everybody has emotions, boys or girls, and it's okay for boys to cry, right? But since I was brought up in an environment where, you know, my father didn't like to see me cry. So he would really catch me if my eyes started to fill with tears. And he used to say to me, don't cry. There's nothing to cry about. And I remember that. And I just recall always growing up trying to hold on to my emotions and trying to keep it very close to my chest and not let other people know. And, you know, I'm still that way in a lot of ways. And it's good in certain ways because when I'm angry, you won't see my anger. Okay, inside I may be boiling and exploding and I'm all over the place in my head, but on the outside I look very cool and collected. And I think, you know, for me, that's how I'm in charge of my emotions. But the thing is, it's okay to feel that way. And in certain instances, it's not okay to, you know, really display that depending on, you know, the situation. Because I never let my daughter know when I was really scared, and I knew I had to keep control over things because otherwise it would scare her too, right? And so I would try to calm her down, say, it's okay, it's nothing to be scared about, you know, we'll think through this, okay? And so I think for me, that's what it means. It doesn't mean that, you know, I'm not gonna ever cry, because that's just not true. I'm human, and I get sad and I cry, just like I'm sure you all do. But I think the important thing is, you know, there's an appropriate way, I guess, that you should control some of your emotions. Like, I don't know if you've seen, I always hate this because I feel sorry for all the Karens in the world, but the Karen videos where they just totally lose it and they're just actually even dangerous and hurtful for other people. Now, I think they need to control their emotions, especially when they're saying something mean or, you know, unnecessary to people around them, regardless of how mad they are. But sometimes it's very hard for people, depending on how they're made up and how they were raised. You know, it's just something you have to work on. You know, not everybody can take charge of their emotions and say, okay, I got this. Yeah. So it's really important also, not only around children, but yeah, because you don't want to be throwing F-bombs around your little kid or your grandkid or whatever, right? And so it's really important there, but also in the workplace. You have to really, you know, suck in what you're feeling at that moment and kind of process it. And that's what I try to do. And I think I'm pretty good at that, is that, okay, I take the information as is, but I can't react to it. I have to process it. What did they mean? And what are they saying? And even though it's my perception, which is my fact, I still have to make sure that this is what was meant, because sometimes it's really hard to tell what the other person's trying to say. And I want to give them the opportunity to kind of explain themselves. And sometimes I'll say to them, I don't know if I am getting it correctly. Explain to me. Tell me more about that, about what you're feeling and what you're telling me. What is it that you want from me? And what is it that you want me to do? And how are you expecting me to react? And I've used those words just like that. And sometimes people get thrown and they're like, you know, that's a good question. I don't know how I want you to react. But this is what I'm feeling. And okay, that's a good start. So sometimes you have to talk it through, okay? So I am in charge of my emotions. In the back, there's actually a question that says here, what can I do in the moment I feel powerless? When am I most likely to feel a particular emotion? How can I remind myself of the power I have over my emotional state? Those are very good questions. And those are things that could help you kind of like work through it and process it, right? And this is pretty much what I'm asking myself. So very good card. Tell me what you think. I like it. And I know it's hard for some people to control their anger and their temper. My father was one of those people. So yeah. Anyway, okay, that's that. Let's go ahead and do the Birchbox. Okay, here's the tricky box again. This is what I have to zip here, and zip here. But let's see. This has become a game with me. Oh, that's right. They fixed the box, didn't they? Yep. See, now it comes apart easier. Before I was oh, shoot. Either that or it was, you know, user error. Now, because, you know, I'm one of those bull in a china shop. Y'all know that. Okay, that came off pretty easy. Now what? Okay, one more. Let's see. This is the true test here. Yay! I was able to get in. Box within a box. Okay, you guys know this box I like really a lot. Not only for the small sample sizes, travel sizes, because when I don't like something, I don't feel like I wasted a lot. But this is also, I bought a year subscription. And when I did at that time, it ended up being $8 a box. And they do have deals like that. And the holidays are coming up, guys. Keep your eyes out on the boxes that you like. And they should have specials. And make sure that, you know, it's what you want. Because, you know, right now I canceled a lot of boxes. But I'm looking for new boxes as well to kind of refresh us, right? So here it is. Very nice. And these are definitely reusable. Very cute. And we get a little card like this. And it says, fall in love with you. Fall in love with you. Okay. Very nice. And I like the way this box is reuse me. So, yep, most definitely. I like these boxes. Okay, it does give you the products in the back. And does it have the price? Let's see. You know, I'm going to slide on my glasses. It does have the price for the full size, but it does not have the price of the travel size that you get. Okay, so let's see what we have here. And usually I do clean, is this the one? Yeah, Clean Beauty, but this month it was not an option. I wonder why. Huh. It says here, stay ahead of the game and fall back in love with the skin you're in. The October box is here to help you nourish and care for your skin as the colder months get closer. That's true. You notice, do you like my fall colors? I really tried today to get fall colors because I like green. I don't know how good I look in green, but I like this olive drab. I know I look good in a military uniform, but this is like kind of like very solid. So yeah. Anyway, let's see what I have. The first one here is a cleansing bar. It's called Strawberry and Poppy Seed Natural Cleansing Bar. And it is natural skincare, cruelty-free, vegan. Okay, and there it is. And let me read a little bit about this. And it's this here is by Dr. Botanicals, and it's new to Birchbox, and it's Strawberry and Poppy Seed Cleansing Bar, and this is $14.90 as a full size. And the cleansing bar uses black poppy seeds to gently buff away dead, dull skin. Shea butter and macadamia oil moisturizes and hydrates for long-lasting comfort. That sounds really good. It smells really nice, but I have a feeling this got fragrance. This got to have fragrance. Does it? Oh, maybe it doesn't say like synthetic fragrance, but I'm sure. Oh, it does. It does. This is fragrance based. A pie. That's why I didn't see it right away. It's like the 1, 2, 3, the fourth ingredient. So there's a lot of fragrance in here, guys. You know what though? These type of soaps you can also use like washing your hands, and I don't mind that. Oh yeah, there it is. It smells really nice though. Yeah. So yep. Either that, or I'll go ahead and you know, give it away. So maybe put it in the giveaway. But this is actually full size. Yeah. So $14.90. And then the next thing here is so cute. It is so cute. And this is by Sunday Riley, actually. Okay, Sunday Riley. This is lighthearted. It's SPF 30 daily sunscreen. The full size would be $35. And it's a lightweight broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen with antioxidant turmeric and blue light blocking xenophil. Protects and hydrates skins with a velvety finish. Really? You know what? I may give it a try because you know me and sunscreen. This is SPF 30. You know, I'm not crazy about Sunday Riley products, right? It's an ethical thing, guys. It's not about her product. It's about the ethics. So being that I got this little one and I do love my sunscreen, I will go ahead and give this a try. And you know what? I need to do the sunscreen review the end of the summer. It's going to be end of the winter soon. But I want to finish using up all of it completely, except for a few of them. I just couldn't do it because it was just, yeah, not a good thing. And I'll explain why. And I'll do that real soon for you guys. Okay, the next thing here is, oh, it's in glass. Okay, it's called the Radiance Face Oil, and it's 100% natural. And it looks like this. And this one here is called the Balance Me Radiance Face Oil. The full size would be $43. This is dubbed Dewy Skin in a Bottle. This award-winning rejuvenating elixir with essential fatty acids and potent skin conditioners restore radiance and vitality to dull, tired skin. So, okay, I don't mind that. And it does, let's see, it doesn't have fragrance, which is good. So I'm going to have to check it out and see, you know, what how this works. Because I don't really use a lot of face oils, but I do like to use it when I'm doing gua sha or if I am running the cryo bowl over my face. So this would actually come in handy. So, yep. And then the next one here is by Fila. No kidding, Fila, like tennis shoes. Fila. Jealous Cool Down Wash Off Mask. Soothing and calming. See, look, Fila. Look at that. That's it's not like a different company. That is the sneakers company. That's funny. Fila Skincare Gel Us Cool Down Wash Off Mask. The full size would be $24. This is also new to Birchbox. It's a jelly-like wash-off mask that nourishes and soothes sensitive, irritated skin with the cooling effect of chamomile extract, centella, acetica extract, and tea tree extract. Interesting. Yeah, it's a wash-off mask, so I may go ahead and try it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I might try it for Mask Monday, ladies. So, yeah, that's good. And the last thing in here, it's called the Hydra Memory Cream 24-Hour Double Hydration Cream. I have something like that from Paula's Choice, but let's see what this is all about. Okay, this is the Comfort. This is by Comfort Zone, and it's a Hydra Memory Cream. The full size would be $68. This cream quenches skin all day with macro hyaluronic acid for a double dose of moisture, plus moringa oil and natural extracts. Okay, I'm very interested now. I'm hoping that there's no fragrance in here, and I don't see it right off the bat. This is really tiny, but I'm looking at only like the 2 rows below because I wouldn't imagine this would have a lot of a pie, but I'll take a better look. But yeah, I mean, $8, I'm okay with trying these different things. So let's see, let's recap. I got this cleansing bar, okay, and then the Jealous Cool Down Wash Down Mask by Fila. Kind of feels weird that a sneaker company is making cosmetics. Okay, diversification is a key to success in the business world. So I guess they're diversifying, really. Okay, so Comfort Zone Hydra Memory Cream. I digress. Okay, and Sunday Riley SPF. And I'm really looking forward to trying this, guys, and I'll give you a lowdown on it. And then the Radiance Face Oil, which is 100% natural. Is that it? Sometimes I forget to, I put something aside and I forget. No, I think that's it, my beautiful Wildflowers. Yeah, and so you know that I just recently revealed a winner for one of the Advent Calendar video giveaway on yesterday, right? So I still have one more out there, and then I'll be doing another one real soon because I think it's going to take me a while to get to 850. Right now I'm sitting at 820, and I keep going 822, 820, 819, 820, 819. So I don't know when I'm gonna hit 850, but I would really like to do one. And I did get my package that's really late from Erin Condren today, and one of the things that I want to give away is actually in that box. So yeah, so wait for that, and I may do that one prior to the 850 if it's taking too long. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. Oh, and another thing, I almost forgot, even though I pinned this note, Rhonda Stuthers reminded me that the box for, the bag for IPSY is going up from 25 to 29. And thank you so much, Rhonda. I get so confused with everything going up, but with this one staying down, Boxy, the normal box, the base box is staying normal. So it's a lot. It's a lot of stuff out there. It's a lot of moving parts. So sorry about that, guys. But I wanted to make that correction. But I did pin that note on that video, hoping that you guys would see it, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Come on, guys. Join the Wildflower family. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button, ringing that bell, and selecting all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend whenever you're watching this. But that does not matter. But you do know what matters, right? Just remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.